In this video, we will generate the dataset of the SINE function using the infinite product. First, we generate the dataset of the SINE function. So, array formula. SINE of the x values from negative 3.2 to positive 3.2. And the infinite product, which is x times 1, the quantity 1 minus x squared over pi squared n squared, where the value of n is from 1 to infinity. So from 1 up to infinity, so 8 is, for now we'll use 8. And the formula of this will be equal to array formula of 1 minus x squared. So x raised to the power 2 divided by the quantity pi squared. So pi times n, where n is from 1 to infinity, n, and both are squared, so the quantity squared. So that's x to the power 2, x to the power 2 divided by pi squared n squared, and enter. Now we complete the product, infinite product, which is equal to product x times the product infinite product of these values, and we drag this and we chart this. Insert chart, and we use scatter chart. Column A is label, row 1 is header. Customize, and the series will be, we'll use the trend line, and the type polynomial. The degree we use 8. For the label, use the equation. And here's our trend line and polynomial. To the 8th degree. So you'll notice the blue one is the SINE function, while the red one is the infinite product of the SINE function. And their polynomial regression coefficients are almost the same. And their trend lines are almost collinear. So this completes the use of infinite product using array formula product in Google Sheet to generate the trend line of the SINE function.